Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go from products only from the dollar store. So let's jump into it.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with wetting my hair. My hair is about 2 weeks old, so we will have to see how these products do on my hair, being that my hair is 2 weeks old. Hope that this shampoo doesn't, mat my hair. We shall soon see.
So I'm starting with the shampoo. It's supposed to soften and shine. So let's see what we're doing. This smells really good. It has like slip on it, like it feels moisturizing, initially moisturizing on my hair. We'll have to see how it feels when I rinse it out. But it produces a lot of lather. It seems like it's doing okay.
So I'm going to continue to wash my whole head. I decided to wash my hair in sections just so I can make sure I got my scalp clean. I'm rinsing this out and I didn't have any problems rinsing it out. My hair didn't feel hard or stuck together or super dry.
Okay, my hair, I thought it felt squeaky clean. It is super clean, but it's not that bad. It is super clean.
Okay, I'm moving on to the conditioner. So it has a loose consistency. It smelled just as good as the shampoo. I thought it glided on my hair really well and it was easy to detangle. You can see here that I'm not having too much trouble. My hair is 2 weeks old, so I liked what it did for my hair. So I'm just going to continue to apply this all over my head and I'm going to continue to detangle. So now I'm just rinsing my hair out. My hair feels smooth and it feels soft. It's rinsing out pretty easily. So I like this as well. And I like how my hair is looking super shiny. So now I'm moving on to the deep conditioner. So this stuff, it's pretty thick. It's not too thick, but it has a good consistency on it. I put it on my hair, it glided right on, and goodness, it has a lot of slip on it and just feels really good going in my hair. So I'm just going to continue to apply this over my whole head. I used probably a pack and a half. I bought 3 just in case. But yeah, I like how this is feeling on my hair. It's doing really well on my hair. So I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. So now I'm applying this leave-in detangler. And then I'm going to use this brush that I also got from the dollar store. I really like this brush. I thought it was gentle on my hair and I thought it went smoothly in my hair. I'll be applying this LA Looks gel to my hair.
It has a really light scent. You really can't smell it at all. Let me see, what's this in my hair? This ain't got no scent. This costs $1. It don't need no scent. Don't need no scent name.
Guys, I'm using this brush and I thought it really clumped my curls and it was just gentle on my hair. I really liked it.
So I'm just gonna do this around my whole head and let's see how it turns out. Not mad so far, but we gotta wait till it dries. So I'll speed up through the rest and I'll come back and let you know like how I like it.
Okay, I've finished applying the product on my hair, so I'm just taking a look at my curls to see how they look. I'm liking how they look. So now I'm just drying my hair using my Diva dryer, and I'm really liking it.
Okay guys, all right, so I just finished my hair. It's probably about 90% dry, but let me just get right into these products. For the shampoo, I used the VO5 shampoo. I thought it smelled really good. I thought it cleaned my hair really well. It lathered really well. It was okay. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't, let me say it like this. I've used some other natural shampoos, like natural hair care shampoos, and they have been way more harsh than this. So this was actually okay. So moving into the conditioner. So I used about this much of it. Let me say this, actually it went on really smooth. It felt cheap, but it was really soft and it made my detangling very easy. So when I rinsed it out, my hair felt really good. It felt really soft, and yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about it. So I liked it. I liked it a lot. Now I want to get into this. So I got this Suave Almond and Shea Butter Deep Conditioner. To me, this was the star of the show. I think this won. But I put that on my hair and I let it sit for about an hour. I put my little shower cap on and I put my hot head on top of it, and I'll just let it sit. When I rinsed it out, my hair was light, fluffy, and defined. It was amazing. I really liked it. I was pleasantly surprised. I almost didn't want to put any product in my hair because my hair was that light and fluffy. Now I use this leave-in. So this is a children's leave-in. It's called Shimmer and Shine. And so it's a hair detangler, cotton candy flavor, whatever. Let me tell you something. I sprayed this on my hair. I feel like it gave my hair a lot of shine, and it definitely made my hair super easy to detangle. I can't vouch for what's in here. So this is not a natural hair product. You know, this was in the dollar store. I can't pronounce these. It says water. So this doesn't appear to be curly girl friendly, but I can tell you that it worked on my hair. I liked it. And finally, this LA Look. So it's called LA Looks Absolute Styling. I got this from the dollar store, but I've actually seen it in Walmart. I used about half the bottle. I used about this much. Listen, I'm not gonna even lie to you. I put it on my wet hair, and my curls were shiny, but they stay shiny, because you know sometimes when you put on some gel, your hair looks shiny when it's wet, but by the time it dry, it's not shiny anymore. That didn't happen with this. So like, actually I like this a lot. It's not like Wetline or Eco Styler to where your hair is super ultra defined, but it is defining. The only thing that I'm concerned about is, let me show you here. You see this right here? You see, like, I got some gel left right there. See that? I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I think it might flake. But it was $1, so like, I mean, I think my hair is like dope. Let me take a spin. You can see what it looks like. I am in no way, form, or fashion, recommending that you go and make this your hair routine. For a one-time wash and go, these are very viable options. Overall, I really liked it. My curls are shiny, my hair is light and fluffy and soft. I have just a slight crunch from that gel, but I am loving it. I feel like my hair could last a couple days. So, not a couple days, it could last a few days. So with that, thank you for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.